Guys, for today's video, nabalitaan ko na available na daw for application ang Maya credit card. I had a previous video about the Maya Landers credit card, which is ito. Meron na siyang credit card, and which is ito yung kanyang ad. Kung makikita natin, sabi niya dito, our first credit card. The last one you'll ever need for cashback. So ito ay partnership between Maya and Landers. Yan. So, yung video yun na yan is mostly pang early application or early sign up. Basically, kailangan mo kumuha muna ng Landers membership before kang makapag-apply ng Maya credit card. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron ako experience or meron akong knowledge at ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so let's just have a quick review muna kung ano itong Maya Landers credit card na to before we proceed dun sa app mismo ni Maya para i-check natin how to apply, the details, and whatsoever. So, punta tayo sa Landers na website para makita natin yung offering nila ng Landers membership plus the Maya logo credit card daw. Okay, so, ito siya again, cashback everywhere, Landers, Maya yan. So, kailangan mo daw muna magbayad ng 500 pesos for you to get the Landers membership, which is at a discounted rate siya because of the partnership with Maya. So, instead na 700 ang babayaran mo daw, 500 na lang. This is good kung gusto mo mag-apply for a Landers membership. So, i-check nyo na lang sa Landers website kung merong malapit na Landers sa inyo para malaman nyo kung magagamit nyo yung Landers. Okay, so ito. Ayan, get a premium membership at 500 pesos instead of 700. If you sign up early for the upcoming Landers Cashback Everywhere credit card. So, ito daw yung benefits na makukuha nyo if you get this Landers membership plus the Maya credit card. 5% cashback on your Landers spend, 2% on dining spend, may cashback daw na 2%, 1% on all other spend, and then the no annual credit card fee. Tapos, if you wanted daw na extension, that's 400. So, yan lang yung makukuha natin kay Landers. Ayan. So, I did sign up for Landers para ma-apply ko dito kay Maya credit card. So, para makita nyo kung beneficial ba sa inyong kumuha ng Landers at mag-apply ng Maya credit card, panoorin nyo itong video na to until the end kasi makikita nyo kung worth it nga ba kumuha ng Landers membership. Okay, at the Landers website, click natin yung apply now. Tapos mapaprompt tayo dito sa application nila wherein we need to enter our details, our personal information. And then here, at preferred branch, you need to select kung saan yung pinakamalapit na Landers store sa inyo para doon nyo kunin yung inyong Landers membership card. And then you also need to enter your financial information such as your source of income and then your monthly income nyo. Tapos, below, makikita nyo dito yung account creation. So, basically, gagawa na kayo ng account nyo with Landers. So, just enter your desired password. And then, you need to pay for it, check it out, and then, once na sure na kayo, then, you just have to pay for it. So, basically, ito na yung account na na-create sa akin and yung membership number na nasa taas. So, you need to copy that membership number kasi ito yung gagamitin natin sa Maya credit card application. Okay, so punta na tayo sa Maya. Let's just head over dun sa cards. Ayan. And then click apply now. Makikita nyo dito, ito yung offer ni Maya. Same thing naman, sinabi niya earn up to 5% at Landers, 2% dining, etc. etc. A membership and credit card in one. Discounted Landers membership and no annual fee. Ito na yung other perks. Use instantly once approved. Perks ba yun? Set up as spending limit anytime. Parang hindi naman perks to. Track your points and rewards in-app help and support. Ito na yung mga fees. Okay, annual fees. So, walang charges. So, makakonsider natin to as no annual fee for life unless otherwise palitan nila. Finance charge is 3%. So, same naman with all other credit cards. It's 3%. Especially lalabas ang finance charge kapag hindi nyo pinay in full. Cash advance rate. Kapag naman to, gagamitin yung credit limit nyo to withdraw cash, meron 3% na interest per month. Late payment fee, 1,000 pesos or minimum, whichever is lower. And then meron siyang over limit fee na 750. And then if you're going to replace for a card, then that's 400 pesos. Nakalagay naman dito, we're gradually extending access to ensure a great experience for you. Stay tuned for updates. Okay, just to clear out guys, you need the Landers application or the membership before you can go over here and apply. So parang prerequisite na magbabayad ka na kagad ng 500 pesos just for you to apply the Maya credit card. I don't know if it's okay, pero let's continue. Okay, let's click next. And then, ito na. I-enter na natin yung Landers na membership natin. Enter natin yan, and then let's click next. And then, we also, again, need to enter all other details, other personal information, yan. Yung TIN number natin is optional naman, so pwedeng wala. After clicking next, i-enter na natin yung financial details natin, yung work details natin, select the nature of work, and monthly take-home pay. So guys, ako ay isang freelancer na, from corporate, naging freelancer na, and then yun ang i-enter ko dito. Kailangan nyo enter yung job title and yung source of income. Upon clicking next, without any query, na matagal na query from their servers, ito na kagad ang lumabas sa akin. We can't issue a credit card for now. We'll let you know once you become eligible. Until then, keep using Maya to unlock exciting products and feature. Basically, kung ang purpose nyo lang is to apply for a Maya credit card, there's a 50-50 chance that you may get approved or you might get disapproved. Lalo na kung hindi kayo nag-grocery sa Landers, you get a 50-50 chance of getting an approval. That means, para sa akin, the 500 pesos na binayad ko for a Landers membership, nasayang. Para sa akin lang yun. Kasi hindi naman ako nag-grocery sa Landers. But, I did this just to let you know yung buong experience in application. And again guys, hindi ko naman sinasuggest na huwag kayong mag-apply. But make sure guys na desidido kayo kasi yung 500 pesos na ipambibili nyo ng Landers membership, hindi naman din kaliitan yan eh. So, kung gusto niyo talaga magpa-member, I think it's worth it. Pero if you're going to just apply for a Maya credit card, I think you better think twice, you better assess yourself kung maganda ang inyong credit score, kung hindi kayo nade-delay. Meaning, tipong pag nag-apply ba kayo ng credit card sa ibang banks, madalas kayo na-approve, ganyan. Tapos wala kayong missed payments, and alam mo, ang credit score mo ay nasa 700 pataas. Well, if that is the case, then mataas naman ang chance na ma-approve ka with Maya credit card. So, I think if that is your current state right now, parang worth it naman yung 500 pesos na membership. Pero sa akin, guys, well, hindi. Guys, I also checked the feedback of early adopters or yung mga na-approve ka agad over Reddit. And ito yung mga sinasabi nila. Ito, decline din sa akin lahat online. So, I guess hindi pa ganun ka widely accepted kasi sabi niya decline sa akin online. Bakit? Based yun dito sa feedback ni Fault RZ. Sabi naman ni Good Form Stark, sabi niya, always decline din using it online right now. I also activated it yesterday. I don't have the physical card yet. Tapos sabi dito, may nag-reply sa kanya. Sabi, there are many stores that still don't accept the Landers card. Tried using it at the Landers BGC and my purchase went through after several attempts. So, umokay naman daw after several attempts. But other stores declined. I only have successful transaction online, Grab, TikTok, Lazada, etc. Using my CVV at the back of the card, mahirap pala kabanding si Maya. Diba? O ito pa, update. I tried using Shopee and successful naman ang transaction. Nag-fail sa Grab even I tried several times. Early launch hiccups pa siguro. Same here. Ayaw niya gumana sa Grab, but pag direct sa store, okay naman. So, di ba, iba't iba ang experience. Merong online na okay, merong online na nag-fail. Tapos, yung face-to-face merchant, pag ginagamit mo sa Landers BGC na to, several attempts pa daw bago maging successful. And then, sa ibang stores, laging decline. Possible nga to na early launch hiccups pa. Hindi pa ganun ka widely updated siguro yung mga POS na naka-include na si Maya or I don't know kung saan nagkakaproblema, sa terminal side ba o kay Maya side. I don't know. Pero for a credit card holder, it's not a good experience na you're going to use your card, madedecline ka. Parang ganun. So, yeah, yan yung feedback nila. Okay, one more thing na kailangan kong ipaalam sa inyo na ang Maya Credit and Maya Credit Card has separate credit line. So, basically, hindi ibig sabihin na meron kayong Maya Credit mabibigyan kayo ng Maya Credit Card. So, kung mayroon kang Maya Credit, then use it as a Maya Credit. But, if you apply for Maya Credit Card and na-approve kayo, then you have a separate limit for that. Separate charges, and etc. So, okay, for our question of the day. This is an exciting development really for Maya. since Maya is a bank and now started to offer a credit card. First, from a digital bank. For our question of the day, sa tingin nyo ba mas kikita ang mga digital banks natin by offering credit card o mas lalo silang malulugi? Let me know what you think sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at RideV2887. Sabi niya, yes, useful mga features sa mga international na purchase. Thanks Sir Pat sa info. At RideV2887, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!